If you're considering a cosmetic procedure, you're in luck. We've done your homework for you and found some of the best surgeons in the country, and many of them happen to reside right here in Dallas. Let's take a look. More than 15 years ago, some of the world's most respected and renowned plastic surgeons joined forces to create the Dallas Plastic Surgery Institute, otherwise known as DPSI. The coalition allowed plastic surgery patients access to some of the most astute medical minds in the field of plastic surgery.
The thing I think we're most proud of probably is the fact that all of these guys have been able to develop their own independent identity. We're all confident that we know more than the other guy, but they have their independent identity, and yet we work together as a group, and that allows us to provide a wide range of plastic surgery services, reconstructive and cosmetic, so that we can cover the waterfront. And among the group, there's someone who's at least a national level expert in every sub area, and that's what we're trying to do.
DPSI surgeons are all board certified and have years of advanced training and experience in both plastic and cosmetic surgeries.
I came to Dallas in plastic surgery and I was blown away. They were changing faces of babies that were born with these terrible congenital problems and making them beautiful babies. In the other room, for the first time, they were taking women who were devastated by mastectomy and rebuilding their breasts. And I said, this is definitely what I want to do with the rest of my life.
One of the beautiful things about being a plastic surgeon is that you can take someone who has struggled for so many years with a certain area of their body, for example, and you can restore that to a condition which they are very pleased with. And it helps a lot with the patient's self-esteem, sense of well-being, and for me personally, it's why I do my job.
Their extensive training was essential in helping DPSI surgeons fully understand the aging process.
If the whole face has dropped, you have to kind of dissect the whole face to pull it north-south, not east-west. That's not how we age.
The other thing that we notice with aging is that we lose volume, we lose fullness in our face. And typically that happens in very characteristic locations.
DPSI surgeons are also teachers for one of the most esteemed and rigorous plastic surgery training programs in the world, the University of Texas Southwestern Plastic Surgery Department.
You know, we're one group. They're our main clinical teaching faculty as part of UT Southwestern, and so we basically work together for a common goal of, training the best residents in the country in plastic surgery, and that's who and what we are.
While each surgeon is unique, together they believe in one common goal: putting patients' needs first.
This is who you are. This is what you present to the world, and you got to have trust in the doctor, and I never, ever take that for granted.
From first contact through recovery, DPSI patients can expect the latest and best in facilities, technology, patient care, and procedures.
The procedure that I was fortunate enough to develop was really an endoscopic, what we call mid-face lift, which deals with this upper third zone, and then how you entwine and incorporate that into the work that needs to happen along the jaw and neck.
As a cutting-edge plastic surgeon today, we can offer all sorts of a spectrum of options in plastic surgery. And whether it just starts with a filler and Botox or it goes all the way up to rejuvenating procedures.
Thanks to the Dallas Plastic Surgery Institute, there are a lot of happy faces.
I was absolutely thrilled. There was no looking back.
The minute I got all the bandages off, I could see my whole face. I thought, oh my word, all those wrinkles are gone.
I've had customers that thought I went on vacation and has had a great vacation because that I looked refreshed. And I said, I had a whole facelift. And they went, no.
After 1 week, it is unbelievable, my healing process.
Many people will say they would never ever guess that I've had anything done.
I was so happy with the results.
It's so worth it. It really is.
It is the best thing that I have ever done for myself.
The DPSI team has set aside appointments for our Hot On viewers. To reserve one of those appointments, call in the next few hours and speak to one of our Hot On team members.